Is your phone stuck in recovery mode and just showing that computer or cable screen? Don't panic. Here are the best ways to get it back up and running. First, try a forced restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Sometimes that alone is enough to snap it out of recovery mode. Still stuck? Connect your iPhone to a computer. Use Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows, and when it detects the iPhone in recovery mode, choose Update. This will reinstall iOS without erasing your data. If update doesn't work, you may need to choose restore, but keep in mind that this erases everything. If you've backed up to iCloud or your computer, you will be able to restore your data later. And if your computer doesn't recognize your iPhone at all, try using a different cable, different port, or a different computer just to rule out connection issues. And that's all. If this helped fix your iPhone, hit that like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.